was that sort of rich faith in lands and money. The tutors watched the motion of this young honest lover. But love is like the ocean, nor can its depth discover. He had the art to please ye, and was by all respected. His airs had run him easy, genteel but unaffected. The collier's bonny lassie, fair as the new lily, a sweet and never saucy, secure the heart of Willie. He loved beyond expression the charms that were about her, and wanted for possession. His life was dull without her. After mature resolving, close to his breast he held her, in soft his flames dissolving, eternally lost held her. My bonny collier's daughter, like Nathan de suppose ye, 'tis me your scanty talk shall ever gar me lose ye. For I gear in plenty, and love says 'tis my duty to weigh what heaven has lent me upon your wit and beauty.